and 13. We're going to kind of do it like we did the other multiple choice, except these are inequalities. So my first equation, or inequality I should say, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, so I get negative 3y is less than negative 2x plus 4. And then I'm going to divide everything by negative 3. And I'm going to switch the signs. So y is greater than negative 2/3 x plus 4. Now my second inequality, I can just add 3 to both sides. So y is greater than 3x plus 8. So notice, since they're both greater than, I want to shade both above. So the only one that I'm shading both of my inequalities above the line is choice B. Let's do the second one. First inequality, once again, I'll get y is less than 3x plus 8. And the second one, negative, let me switch colors here. So we're going to say negative 3y is greater than, and we'll go negative 2x plus 4. So then divide by negative 3, switch my signs, so I get positive 2/3 x, and then minus 4/3. And notice I'm shading below both my lines, so that would be choice A, which means my third one should be choice C. And if I can verify that, I'll get y is less than 3x plus 8. My second inequality, I'll divide everything by 3. So I'll say y is less than 3x plus 2/3. Notice those are parallel. So choice C was the correct answer. So question 14. We have Emma's problem. Put the pressure on the Emma, get this problem right. It says the table shows the time and cost to make hats and scarves. She wants to spend no more than 60 hours. So let's call this, we'll use H for hats, and I'll use Y for scarves. So for my time, I'm going to take 3 times the number of hats, and I'm going to add 4 hours to make a scarf. And she wants to spend less than or equal to 60 hours on that. I could do the same thing for the cost. So a hat costs $1 to make, so I'll say H. And then a scarf costs $4 to make, but she wants to spend less than 20 on that. Now let's check this to see, hey, can you make 12 halves and 4 scarves? Well, if I substitute that in for my first one, so if I take 3 times 12 plus 4 times 4, is that less than or equal to 60? 3 times 12 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16. 36 plus 16. That's 52. So yes, she can make 12 hats and 4 scarves, and she'll spend less than 60 hours. How about if I do it for the cost? So a hat, if I go 12 plus 4 times 4, is that less than or equal to 20? Well, that's 12 plus 16. That's 28, isn't it? Uh-oh. She would spend too much money. So, no. Emma cannot make 12 hats and 4 scarves for $20. So our answer is going to be no.